If you want to edit your GoDaddy website, the process is actually pretty straightforward once you know where everything lives. In this video, I'll walk you through how to edit pages, edit posts, and even adjust the design of your site step by step. This is a great guide if you want to update text, change images, fix content, or make your website look more professional without getting lost in the dashboard. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your WordPress admin area. This is where most GoDaddy websites are managed, and it's the main place you'll use to make changes to your content and design. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see the menu on the left side of the screen. If you want to edit a page, go to Pages, then click All Pages. This will show you a full list of the pages on your website. Find the page you want to update, hover over it, and then click Edit. From there, you can change the text, add new content, remove old sections, or update anything else on that page. This is useful for things like your homepage, about page, services page, or contact page. If you want to edit a post instead, go to Posts, then click All Posts. You'll see all of your blog posts or article posts listed here. Find the one you want to change and click Edit. Just like with pages, you can update the content, rewrite sections, add images, or improve the post so it matches your current brand or message. Now, if your goal is to edit the actual design of your website, such as the colors, fonts, menu, logo, or layout, then you'll need to go to Appearance and then click Customize. This opens the website customizer, where you can make visual changes to your site without touching the code. Here, you can adjust colors to match with your brand, update your logo, change menus, and refine the overall layout so your website looks cleaner and more polished. As you make changes, take your time and preview everything carefully before publishing. It's always a good idea to check how your edits look on desktop and mobile, especially if you're changing the layout or visual style. That way, your site will stay professional and easy to use for visitors. When you're happy with the changes, make sure to click Publish so your updates go live on the website. If you don't publish, your changes may not appear to visitors, so this step is important. And that's it. Now, you know how to edit your GoDaddy website by logging into WordPress Admin, editing pages, editing posts, and customizing the design. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it gives you full control over your site's content and appearance. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.